1. The Horizon Mount Helen. With breathtaking views and surrounded by the natural bushland, this two-storey executive home is just minutes from IBM, Fed Uni and schools. Fitted with solar power, ducted vacuum, alarm and intercom system, evaporative cooling upstairs and split system down, this home definitely covers all the features of a top-end home. Upstairs, 4 well-proportioned bedrooms include a master with full ensuite and open onto a lounge and family bathroom. Downstairs provides a further lounge, dining and large living meals area, which opens perfectly to the culinary kitchen. With walk-in pantry, induction cooktop and Caesar stone benchtops, this space will be the envy of any chef or cook. An office, laundry, powder room and a grand rumpus with polished timber floors opens generously to the decked entertaining zone, which adds another dimension to this already oversized home. With quality drapes, impressive light fittings and a solid return staircase, this home is certainly presented with real style. Landscaped gardens, work shed and remote-controlled double garage provide all the practical elements of a 1,280 square metre block. Be sure to inspect and admire the value of this Mount Helen home.